In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate forms, Microsoft Forms. Duplicating a form is a quick way to reuse a survey, quiz, or poll without rebuilding it from scratch. It keeps your structure, questions, and design intact, so you can make small tweaks while preserving the original. All you need is a web browser and to be signed in to your Microsoft account. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser. If you use more than one Microsoft account, double check you're signed in to the right one because your forms are tied to the account you're using. Once Forms loads, look for the area that lists your content. Click My Forms to view everything you've created. This is your main hub, and it shows your recent forms, quizzes, and any drafts you're working on. Next, find the form you want to duplicate. If you have a lot of content, you can scan the thumbnails, sort by date to bring the most recent items to the top, or use the search bar to quickly zero in by name. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct form, especially if you have versions with similar titles. On the form tile, move to the bottom right corner and click the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled More Options. Be careful not to click the form title itself, which would open it. You want the menu on the tile. This menu is where you'll find actions you can take on the form without opening it. From the options, click Copy. As soon as you do, Microsoft Forms creates a full duplicate of the original. This is a true clone. It carries over the questions, sections, branching, themes, and most settings. Importantly, it does not bring over any existing responses, so your duplicate starts clean and ready for new submissions. After a moment, the duplicate will appear at the top of your list with the word copy added to its name. That placement makes it easy to spot right away. From here, you can open the new version and adjust the title, update any questions, or tweak the design to fit your next use case. Because you worked from a copy, your original form remains untouched as a reliable reference. If you don't see the copy option, make sure you have edit access to the form and that you're in the correct area, such as My Forms, rather than a location you can only view. Refreshing the page can also help if your list doesn't update immediately. And that's it. Quick, safe, and efficient. You now know how to duplicate a form in Microsoft Forms so you can reuse your best work in seconds.